In this video, I'll be going over how to convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. To convert Celsius to Fahrenheit, we have the precise method and we have the approximate method. The precise method is the exact Fahrenheit that it's going to be, and approximate is something that you can do in your head. So for the first example, we have 24 Celsius, and we want to convert that to Fahrenheit. So looking at the formula, we know it's C times 1.8 plus 32. So we have 24, then we want to times by 1.8 plus 32. After multiplying in the calculator, we would get 75.2 Fahrenheit. Now to do it in your head with the approximation, we would take 24 times by 2 and then add 30 to it. So 24 times by 2 is 48, and then you just add 30 on top of that. That will give you 78. So 78 Fahrenheit would be the approximate value. For the second example, we have 15 Celsius. And we'll go ahead and put 15 times 1.8. Then we want to add 32. Multiplying that in the calculator, we would get 59 Fahrenheit. Now to approximate this in your head, you would take 15 times 2, which is 30. Then you want to add 30. So you already know the answer is 60. And 60 Fahrenheit is the approximate Fahrenheit that you can calculate from your head. So these two are examples of how you would convert Celsius to Fahrenheit. You can do it the precise method, which would require calculation, or you can use the approximate method, which you can do in the head. Either way will work. Hopefully this video is helpful to you, and thank you for watching.